Oh, thank God.
I mean, sink my teeth into your boot. I mean, was it circle?
Yes.
Oh! Oh!
It's been a while since I got one. Bring that ass. Tell me what my favorite thing is. I'm gonna kick him in the head. I'm kicking him in the head. Kick him in the head. I did not give you permission to touch me.
Oh God!
Come
Bro, just yanked you by your throat. I look dead at you.
Oh, my bad, I didn't grab you.
No! We gotta get out of here! We gotta get out of here now!
Let me out!
Fucking wire, bro. Hold up, Damien. I'll be with you in a sec. Just gotta work on this wiring management type shit. Man, I almost got my job done too. Look at it.
Come here! Oh!
No!
Come here!
Bring me them sweet cheese.
Come here, let me grab you by your weave real quick. Ah! No!
What are you grabbing onto? That's bullshit, Russ.
I'm alive!
He grabbed onto the ledge. Bro, why are you grabbing him by his skirt, bro? That's illegal. She's what? Bro. It's like he's getting birthed. How did he live? Punched under a skirt, bro. That's illegal.
No, it's legal. It's a legal move. I made it. I made it up the rules. Down there, you little slimy bitch. I'll come for you.
Bro couldn't escape death a third time, bro. There's no way.
Hey, you know. I know secret beforehand.
Get him!
That's what my plan.
Fuck.
No!
Come to the wing, boy. Spank your ass now.
Oh, this is
Alright, hold on. Alright. Let's take the first few seconds to appreciate the map.
God.
Oh, we could go pretty far down here, guys.
Oh, can we?
Oh!
Oh, hold on.
Wait, yeah, that's why I said, guys, just chill for a bit. We could throw hands afterwards. This is the crane, but we're up here now. Alright, where do you want this crane to be, boy?
I want you.
No!
No!
Can we break these windows? Hold on. Ross, how?
It's to the back!
How did this happen?
Whoa!
What?
Whoa! Let go, Damien!
Get off
Let
me!
go! Damien, let go!
I can't!
Let
No!
Oh, we can't go down there. This is not a tower, this is a tube.
It's a cool.
A tube of toothpaste?
What the fuck?
Andrew, let me take a little look-see-loo over here.
Whoa! Pause.
Whoa! Oh no! Come on! Come on!
Fight me.
Oh God! Tag me in! No!
So
Fuck.
close.
Can't grab you.
Hold circle, lay on him, then grab him.
Pause. Hold
Grabbed you by your
on.
You
eyeball.
heard what I said.
Yeah.
Or fly like a bee, sting like a bee.
Ah!
Just tossed him.
Come
Coming
on!
with the right hook special. Now I'll put you on my carpet like a good Labrador. Trying to throw me, bitch? You're meant to be Barney, you rookie bitch.
Ah!
Come on, Barney. Ross, how?
I just went in.
Why?
Yes.
No!
Get in
No, I
there.
can't! No, please!
Drown him!
No. If he gets out, he gets out. I'm trying to break this bar for you. I'll just move. Bring that ass.
What?
Go first.
No!
Hold up. Don't do this.
Come here!
Rise.
Oh God! What are you doing?
Rising.
No! Come on!
Be the
Get up! No! I can't die like this! No, please!
Hurry up and
My
die.
family's expecting me to come
Bloody
back,
hell.
Yeah, it's a meal. It's a treat.
please!
We
What if
ground you up for the
shoot
meal.
yourself?
No! No, I can't! Not like this, please!
God damn.
Grind his balls into
I
juice.
refuse!
Too bad.
No. Dead.
I'll just put you in here myself.
No!
Come here. You're going in this fuck ass machine.
No!
David, get out of there!
I'm trying!
Yeah!
I win!
We meet again.
I hate you.
Oh,
Oh, I think
Fuck
fuck.
it! Fuck it! Aw, I thought I grabbed the horn of the truck, honestly.
Hey,
No.
you did not. Oh,
Oh, no!
Woo!
he's trying to get rid of me.
Oh god, he tried to drop kick you in the head. So what the How is he doing kick flips? What the fuck? Whoa, whoa.
Oh, get up, get up.
Get up!
Oh god. Saved by the corner.
Just let us get up real quick.
Or it can be a
You're
draw.
staying back here, bitch.
God!
No!
Let
Dumbass.
go! Hey, hey! Yeah, dang!
Whoa! Oh! No, please!
Up. Get up.
Wait, is Deke dead or alive? I can't-
I'm alive.
No, he's alive. We're
I
just
was
not
in the
fighting
cold for a
currently.
bit. Yeah. Don't want a third party. Want to enjoy the view now.
Well, hold on.
Yeah, get the
Get in
fuck
this!
back
Oh,
there.
Jesus Christ!
Have a plus 10 hit against the wars. Hit a crit. Fuck.
Please,
You're a walrus. You can't drown.
please don't let me drown.
I'm alive!
Oh God!
This one eyeball. You alien race.
No!
Yeah, go in the
Whoa,
crevice.
that's a big race.
Kirby, stop.
Whoa.
Get up! What the
There's a
f-
shark!
Don't be a bitch.
Oh shit. I was trying to jump off.
Nah, that's not how you fucking jump.
He's going straight for the eyeball.
Damn, nearly missed. I think it's only one though. I could be wrong.
Ah, let me go! Let me swim!
Up. Please don't. Oh, and he got me. That's one thing. I need to break this.
Damn it, don't you dare!
Alright, it should have enough item there. Let's see.
Ah!
Is it picking up? Oh, you're dead?
What? He killed me! What the?
I just
I got
nothing on my screen.
flung.
He come from the bottom right flying up. What occurred, guys?
Bro, I just got fucking flung!
Yeah, I got.
Oh,
Hey,
fuck
I
me.
was grabbed. I grabbed him, and we both got flung. But I stayed on the roof somehow.
Oh.
Well, I see.
That's not what I wanted.
Why just one ear? Bro, he's up on there! He's up on there, please!
No. Fuck. Right now, stamina.
Ah!
Alright, lift up your head. Monkey see, monkey do. Yeah, you can do that. I'll do this.
David, you watching?
No, I can't see you. Oh god, what the? He's working in the air! Fighting on ropes is crazy.
Like a parasite.
I see that. Get off me!
No, I'm here now. Fight. I love
Oh, shit. God.
Look at that ass. You look at
I'll
that.
just watch, that's fun.
You better get
Get
down
in
here,
there.
game!
Get in there. Oh. Are you saying now? I'll be in there in a sec. No.
I win! All I had to do was sit there and watch. I am the watcher.
I'm
I'm
You
the
are
one who
blue.
witnesses.
Oh!
Let me go get a brick. Well, if I use this brick to break your skull open, hold on. No. Fuck up.
No!
No! No, I can't go out like this. No, please! If I'm going out, you're going with me!
Headbutt him! Headbutt him!
I'm trying.
What the?
Ah! Come on! Come on! I can't go out like that! Oh!
Yes.
What the?
Your kind would never allow it. Ugh.
Ah!
How are you awake already? Holy shit!
No, get off me! Ah! Oh, Jesus! Oh, no, no, please! I'm
We're
begging
doing
you,
this.
please!
We're doing this.
No.
We're doing
you
this.
little bitch!